Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, you will learn about the Reissue Asset Node and how it's used in Catenis Flow. The Reissue Asset Node can be used to generate an additional amount of an already issued smart asset. The original smart asset would need to have already been issued with the attribute to be able to reissue more by setting the canReissue parameter to true. Now, let's take a look at the fields available in the Properties panel. This node's Properties panel contains the Standard Name field, where you can name the node, and the Connection field, where you can set your previously configured Catenis virtual device connection or configure a new virtual device. Enter the ID of the asset that you wish to reissue in the Asset ID field. In the Holding Device ID field, enter the device ID for the device that holds the asset. If the holding device ID is not specified, then the node will use the device ID of the configuration node. If you have associated a unique name to your device in your Catenis administrative interface and prefer to use the unique name instead of a device ID, you can tick off this box and enter the unique name you call your device in the device field instead of the device ID. Now, let's take a look at the example flow found at this link. Copy the example flow, click the Node Red hamburger menu, and click Import to display the Import Flow dialog box. Paste the flow into the Import box and click the Import button. This flow is a working example implementing the Reissue Asset Node. Note that after importing the example flow, you will need to set the Catenis Flow nodes to your own previously configured virtual device. You can pause this tutorial now to explore this flow on your own, and in the next video, you'll learn how to create this flow from scratch. Did you know that more and more companies and individuals are tokenizing their physical products? Everything from art prints to tuna fish to high fashion to diamonds are being associated with digital tokens on the blockchain. When a digital asset is tied to a real-world product, the Reissue Asset Node is a great way to programmatically reissue the asset when a new batch of the product is created. Great! Now you should understand Reissue Asset Nodes. Now you're ready to learn how to use the Reissue Asset Node in your own flow.